Yo, hello everyone. It is your boy Zia coming back at you guys with a video. And today, I'm just going to be doing some uncut raids using furnaces as hard as it is, win or fail. We've already done some attacks, just using dragon clone and stuff, but I got a little bit bored and, being who I am, I decided that I want to challenge myself. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So, I think here, this town hall doesn't have a lot of damage around it. I think. Alright, so let's come in from here. Need to be very careful on the sentry. Okay, one furnace down. Another one. Totem in hand. Let's drop it now. Alright, we need to be very, very careful. Get this clan castle out. Or try to, rather. Okay. So far, so good. See if we can get maybe like a flame flinger to help us. We'll take our time on the fireball. Okay, ice golems. That's a little bit annoying. It's gonna slow our entry down a bit. But that's okay. It's not the end of the world yet. We're gonna have a ton of time fills here if we don't watch this clock. Carving out an early plan for the dive up top. Okay. Go here and here. Let go of the action figure. Some furnaces on top to help us funnel a bit. Warden's being hit, we'll raise him now. Okay. As soon as that Tesla goes down, we'll release the flame flinger. So now, stop him in his tracks. Over here. Actually, completely forgot about the other scatter. That's okay. We'll revive her with an invis on her like such. Okay. Looks like we lost our warden in between that wrestle. And we accidentally wasted our RC ability, but we should dive closer to 90%. So that's raid number 1. Let's see. Yep, 90%. So we did hiccup a couple times, but with those hiccups in mind, I'm happy at where we dropped off. I mean, these attacks are hard, you know. I'm going to keep on saying that, in case you guys don't already know that yet. These attacks and the regular modifiers are hard, especially whenever we're running some furnace. So, next attack. All right, so one of these. Okay, so I think we're going to start at a slanted angle this time. We'll go balloon. Distract any kind of mines. We'll start looking for a place to dive in our flame flinger straight away. I think I found it, potentially. Hey. We'll wait to make sure that our ward is fine. I think he will be. Yep, so. Hey. Oh, God. More furnace. come over here. We'll use this furnace to help him walk inside. Looks like none of these wizard towers went down either, which is not ideal for landing a clean fireball. Yeah, I think he's stuck on some ice columns, so we can just try for it now. Oh, hey, that's good. Alright, so we need to be precautious right here. I think we are just going to start hero diving over here with the totem to protect our sea. Now we do need to keep a bit of a close eye on her. Okay. Okay. Come over here. Just expect that RC is gonna die any moment. Okay, it's king. Gets closer. Yep, we'll pop him. We have a lot of power coming down here, so I'm gonna re-pop my queen. Put my ice block here. We'll ice block booger. Our booger tank a little bit. It's gonna be another high percent. Hopefully you can make it through. We're so close. Okay. 89%. Okay, mortar's distracted. Let's pick up some more. See if we can sneak into 95% territory. So another high 90. This is going to be the story of the night, isn't it? I mean, if we can get, even just one triple, I'll be good with that. Nighthawk said, do I want to test space for him? Yeah, down, man. All right. Say, recording my attacks for YouTube. Say hola. And we are. So, alright. So, this base here is going to make my head hurt. Alright, so. Oh, yeah, this space. Okay, let's come in from here. Up here. Where can I send in my flame flinger? I don't know. That's a good question. We can lower the CC, I believe. Maybe. Okay, there it is. That's what I wanted. It will rage. Taking a lot of damage here. So we'll definitely want to raise that up. Okay, well, got a flame flinger here. This isn't exactly where I want him to go, but we'll be okay. He is getting some help. He's getting help charging down. Oh, don't want that. Got my iPad charging. Okay. Taking damage from somewhere that I don't like. You are the culprit. See if we can get this guy gone. And we'll slowly ride this out. We start setting up this fireball quickly. Okay, let's see if we can take this air defense out with the drop damage. Okay, we can. 1, 2, 3. Get in. Alright, that's exactly where I wanted it. Coming through here. Queen with the action figure. King will drop in some furnaces. I think that should be enough for us to snipe out the town hall. See if we could distract the Guardian. Yes, we did. We definitely just did. Okay. So with him being distracted, we'll come in from the top. See if we can maybe save the RC. Okay, so we're coming in good here. King has flown outside, which is a bit annoying. Okay. So we're picking everything up. Don't see any heroes alive. Okay. Never mind. RC is alive. Hey. Oh, this might be a triple if we get lucky. If we get lucky, oh, cross your fingers. It's going to be a VFL. Oh. RIP. Oh, hardest day of my life. This is a very sad day. Give me some more sugar. Alright, so this is going to be the episode where, oh boy, we're not going to drop any triples, but you know what? I'd rather be brave and use furnaces with all the mayhem that we've had going on of late. I'm going to come in from up here. There's nothing here almost, so yeah, that's where we're going to come in from. Nothing that could really hurt my furnaces too much. Yep. We will also start to work down here with the flame flinger. Interesting, he's chose to do that, but we'll take that. We'll work with that. So we're just gonna let him keep walking in. See if we can clear out this side so he can continue to walk down. Oh, he needs to be raised. Don't down me, don't down me. Okay. Just keep him walking down. If we could do that, that'd be great. Okay, go to the cannon. Hey. So that's good. So we got an ice block. Ready to launch it now. Go here. Fireball. Okay. I don't know why he's taking so much damage. He's dead. Okay. So we've got plan B. We've got plan B to lean on, which is good. Okay, we'll come in. We need to get him out of there. Seems like he's in a lot of trouble. Less than ideal as well. We'll send in the RC, see if we could maybe recover him. We'll pop King now. We'll poison here. Start carving out this side as well. Hopefully RC can lock on him. That should happen. I hope. Okay. Archer back here on the back end side. We'll go on ahead and ice block action figure so you can do some tanking. There's a lot going on right now, but we got it. Once the RC on the enemy side is dead, if she dies, kill her. Something kill her. Somebody kill her so I can use this headhunter as a bit of cleanup, and we might actually wind up with the furnace triple, which is a plus. I mean, these triples in Legends Leagues are hard to drop, so okay, headhunter died. That was probably a stupid place to drop him. We should be okay. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a 99%, isn't it? Get it. Yes, first one of the night with Furnace. Let's go. Okay, one more. One more. We got a barrage of goodness coming for us here in this last replay. Actually, some fairly decent hits, just all fails. So, we're trying our best. We're not going to succeed every time, but that's okay. So this base. All right. So I think I. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. So I think we're gonna come in from. We're just gonna come in here. Ice block. Do this, and this. And once it hits that, we'll do this. Not the mono, but that's okay. And I think a regular loon with the wizard should suffice here, hopefully. Yep. So allow them to start funneling down. We should be okay here. Coming on to the Guardian. We should be okay. I think our ward is going to turn around and snipe him, actually. It's just him targeting us right now, so we're safe. We're not in any kind of immediate danger, per se. Oh no, Warden stay, Warden stay. Warden don't move. I just want to take that out because it's one tap. Oh, I accidentally took my eyes off of him for a second and put that invis down. That's okay, that'll work. I want to take this down so I can hopefully come up here with a couple archers. Okay, we're fine right now. We are fine right now. I think I want to dive it in a bit with the heroes on the back and flank. So this is exactly what we are. Oh, God. Okay. That's okay, that's okay. Okay. We're okay, we're okay. Don't choke it up yet, don't choke it up yet. Okay, we'll come in with the ice block here. Come in like that. I think this back end might potentially give us some issues. Hey. Oh, we still got some furnaces. Yikes. Wasting time on the clock here heavily. We landed on the back end revenge tower, which was dicey. Warden seems like he's dead either way. Yeah, this was not my best attack. Hopefully we can pitch into the 90s. All right, so 90. But I think that's where it stops. So, worst attack of the night. I'm still posting it. It is what it is. It's Legends League. So if you know, you know. Hopefully you guys like the attacks. If you guys want to see more, let me know. Peace.